Tesla reached a $1 trillion market capitalization in less than 2 years after it entered the 100 billion cap. In fact, Koyfin believes we have seen Tesla grow 12,745.7% in the last 12 years, making their 42% second quarter earnings anticlimactic. For today's video, we will compare Tesla stock predictions so far, 2020 versus 2022, how far Tesla's stock price prediction is doing. Let us begin. Every Tesla stock analysis should start with a swift rise into a $1 trillion capitalization. As of January 2020, Tesla was trading well and not having serious problems. They were finding their foot like every other market leader in a small market. Then the pandemic happened, and with it came a boost in growth stocks. TSLA became the sticker to watch on the stock exchange. It skyrocketed from its $117 billion valuation at the beginning of the year to $658.39 billion. This would make every investor happy. These numbers did not spring up at once. Tesla has kept a tremendous posture on the exchange market, and it has only fallen twice, 11% in 2016 and 16% at the start of August. We will share more details shortly. Moreover, Tesla had never been considered a serious stock prior. The company's business model was still new to people. At the time, most of its investors, since its debut on the stock in 2010, were interested in short selling. They believed that the cars were too expensive and had little future. However, those short sellers started holding in 2020 as by October 25, 2021, less than a year after the more than $500 billion value increase, the stock reached a $1 trillion market cap. That year, Tesla only made a 50% increase but felt below average compared to the over 740% leap in 2020. For Koyfin, the New York capital market company, Tesla has recorded a 12,745.7% increase since 2010. That is groundbreaking for any company, but we are not surprised about it. Indeed, Cathie Wood was right about Tesla and innovation stocks, although the internet thinks that is the only thing she will ever be right about. Subsequently, Tesla's stock stayed the same. In fact, aside from Tesla's stock 2022 taking a huge smack in the face and falling past 40%, TSLA had fallen just once since its 2010 debut on the stock. Tesla fell by 11% in 2016, but found its feet and kept going above. Thus, it made sense that they would be riding so high. Additionally, the intensifying climate change conversation is making it possible to retain top status. This year alone, Tesla has fallen up to 40% since its November all-time high, but regained most of it as of July. The company's vote to determine a 3-4-1 split has made them regain over 50% of their decline this year. On August 1, 2022, Tesla is only 16% below the year's start. 38 investment analysts told Investopedia that it was a good idea if you were looking for Tesla stock to buy now. They expect the magic from 2020 and 2021 to extend. Of course, even with severe inflation and supply bottlenecks, Tesla reported a 42% revenue increase and double deliveries. Therefore, it would not be surprising that this streak continues. Another exciting thing to anticipate is the STARLINK IPO. Musk tweeted that in less than 5 years, an investor could throw their weight behind STARLINK, and Tesla holders could get priority treatment. We will share the tweet and its implication for the Tesla stock as we advance later in the video. Furthermore, third-party forecasting service Wallet Investor has projected that Tesla stock looks good in the long term. They base their prediction on the July recovery in the stock market, including gaining $5 in a single day, to estimate a 5-year average at $2,611.550, more than doubling its current price. Moreover, Gov.Capital, a different third-party algorithm-based forecasting group, estimated $3,949.945 by July 2027. However, these forecasts are based on real-life projects that the automotive and energy company is undertaking. Currently, 2 key pillars could propel Tesla into these stock prices. We will share them with you as soon as you subscribe to this channel. 2. STARLINK IPO. STARLINK, a satellite internet arm of Elon Musk's SpaceX, has been delivering internet to the most remote parts of the world. Not to mention keeping Ukraine connected with the rest of the world as Russia tries to black out the country's east. The company has over 200 satellites, and if all things go as planned, Musk will take the company public in 3 to 4 years. Musk brainstormed on Twitter about the process with his fans on June 24, 2021, and shared his willingness to let Tesla investors have their first dips. His response to a fan revealed, "At least a few years before Starlink revenue is reasonably predictable. Going public sooner than that would be very painful. Will do my best to give long-term Tesla shareholders preference." 1. Production. Tesla handled the global chip shortage by rewriting its firmware and producing more than its competitors. That put its last quarter of 2021 and first quarter of 2022 in good standing. Even July 20, 2022's second quarter report showed more deliveries than before despite the gigafactories not producing due to supply bottlenecks. For instance, China had a lockdown in 2022, but they are still on course to deliver 40% of Tesla vehicles this year. Further, Tesla's global presence is increasing with Gigafactory Berlin and Gigafactory Austin. These two factories on different continents have increased Tesla's capacity from 1 million units to 2 million units annually. Now California, Shanghai, Austin, and Berlin are all producing different Tesla models add products like the new Optimal Bot and 4600 batteries. We have said it already, Tesla is a buy. However, our previous video detailed the tips and things that make Tesla the best growth stock for you. Here is a video for all asking, is Tesla stock a buy? Wondrous Tesla stock tip